Picking up where we left off in the last video, let's go ahead and activate B11, and we need to put in here 14% and multiply that by year one sales. So we'll enter the formula 14%, and our year one sales is B4. Because we do not need, we want that to change as we copy, we'll leave it as a relative cell reference. And then we want to copy that over. Highlight B12, and this one, the calculation is 3.4% times the year one sales. Which we will copy over. B13 is 1.1% times year one sales. And B14 is 75,000. C14 is year one web services, so that's going to be B14 plus 7% times year one web services. And then we copy that over. Total expenses should be the sum of B8 through B14. And we can copy that over. Our year one operating income, so now we're highlighting or activating B17, is going to be our year one gross margin, which is B6 minus year one total expenses, which is B15. And then we want to copy that over. Year one income taxes, which is B18. So to figure out the income tax, we're going to have to do an if function. So if year one operating income is less than 0, so our year one operating income is B17 is less than 0, comma. If that's true, then our income taxes is 0, so we would then enter 0 if it's true. But if it's false, then our income taxes will be 35% of our year one operating income. So we'll take 35% times our operating income for that year, which is B17, and we do want that to update as we copy, so then we hit enter. And we go ahead and copy that over. Net income is our last one. And here what we need to do is take year one operating income, subtract out year one income taxes, and copy that over. We want to change the background colors in A1, and I'm going to press and hold Control. A2, A7, A15, A17, and we actually want to go through I17, A19 through I19, and A22 through B27. We want to change those to an olive green. And we want to go ahead and merge. And that's not going to let us do that because, so we'll cancel that and we'll only merge out. Here we go. For both of these, we want to left align them so that they show up on the left side, and we'll go ahead and color this one so it doesn't stand out by itself. So we need to save our workbook. As you guys have now completed the first part, we can move on to the second part. We're going to want to activate, we're going to do a chart right now. So we're going to want to highlight B3 through I3. Then press and hold down the Control key and highlight B19 through I19. We want to create a 2D area chart. So we're going to go to Insert, and these are our area charts. Click on 2D. That's what it'll look like. And we want to move the chart to a new sheet. So we'll just say financial projection chart and say OK. We want to add a vertical axis title and then edit it to say net income and then bold it. So go up to Add Chart Elements, do Axis Titles, and we want primary vertical. We can type net income, and we do not have to worry about bolding it. We want to change our chart style, and actually we want to change our chart title first. To financial projection. Then we come up here to our chart styles gallery and we want to find style 8. Click on that. Then use the change colors, go down to the monochromatic. Oops. Scroll down to 13 and switch our colors. I'm minimizing mine so that we can see what we're working on. We need to rename our sheet tabs. Let me look. 8-year financial projection is what we want this one to be. And our 8-year financial projection should be colored purple. Our financial projection chart should be green. And We want to rearrange our sheets so that the chart comes after the worksheet. So now we've got the worksheet and then the chart. All right, you've finished everything for part 2, so now you can go ahead and save it as part 2. To finish part 3, you just need to change some of these scenarios and then share your findings on the Excel spreadsheet.